Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very easy paper airplane for beginners. Yeah, just to let you know, only a small percentage of my viewers are actually subscribed. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind later. Anyway, let's get to making the paper airplane. So it's very simple. You fold our paper into half. And you are always welcome to pause the video to follow the steps. So see, fold it in half. And then we fold it right along this line. And you shape it into a triangle. Same thing for the other side. And then we fold the paper down. So it looks like an envelope, and again, you're welcome to pause the video. And after this, you make this paper a little bit like 25 degrees maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong. And fold along this crease. It's the same thing with the other side. And then we lock it in place, and then we fold it here. And once again, you're welcome to pause the video right about here, making sure it lines up right. And see, it does line up. And what we now fold the piece of paper. If you see this triangle, and once it disappears, that's a really good spot to finish the fold. And same thing with the other side, even though I don't get it precise because it takes some time. And well, let's make sure it lines up. And yeah, see, it lines up. Here's the finished product. Thank you guys for visiting my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.